Chuck away your benchtop scope and expensive upgrade modules because Picoscopes have over 30 serial decoders available for no extra cost. Simply launch Picoscope 7, probe a serial protocol bus such as this I2C bus, and get it set up on the screen so you can see the full stream of data. Click on the serial decoding tool, select your protocol from the catalogue of decoders, select the data channel and the clock channel, or depending on the decoder, the TX and RX channels, or CAN high or CAN low channels, and then double check any other options before pressing next. In this dialog, you want to select how your data is displayed, both in the main graph area and the table that will appear below. Click Finish and your decoded data will be displayed over your signal and also in the table at the bottom that you can click and navigate to different captures with. Picoscope 7 comes with a growing catalogue of over 30 serial decoders such as I2C, CAN, SM Bus, Manchester, and even DCC for the Hornby train sets. And with lifetime downloads and free updates, you can always stay up to date with the latest protocols. Maths is an important part of an oscilloscope, but Picoscope 7 is designed for full flexibility customization when it comes to creating a maths channel. Power, filters, and custom scientific functions are all available at the click of a button. Once you click on the Math Channel tool, you can select from one of the pre-made channels or add a new one. When you add and create a new math channel, you can either use the buttons to build a function or type and modify the function using the provided text box. Once you've completed that, customize the channel in the next page with color, a unit, and give it a name, and then finish. Make sure the Maths channel is checked in this menu and you should see your new channel. So download Picoscope 7 now and try the Maths channel with the demo scope and see what kind of functions you can create. Picoscopes have a big advantage over many of its competitors in the form of built-in memory. This allows you to store hundreds of triggered waveforms and browse through them using the Waveform Navigator. Setting the amount of waveforms to store is as simple as clicking the waveform lozenge and changing the max waveforms. Once the buffer is full, it will overwrite the oldest waveforms captured, or you can use actions to stop capturing any more waveforms. If you have masks created to find errors in your signal, you can filter them in the Waveform Navigator to show you the failed captures or even just the past captures. If you want the Waveform Navigator to view each individual pulse, try switching to rapid triggering, which will capture a specified amount of waveforms before processing them without missing a pulse. Then display all of the captures within the Waveform Navigator. So download Picoscope 7 in the link below and test the possibilities using the built-in signal generator.